This living room has a budget of $1,000 for its furniture and decor. And this is a living room with a $10,000 budget. Imagine this. The price of one mid-range sofa is worth $1,000 versus furnishing the entire living room with furniture and decor. For the $10,000 budget, instead of just one high-end sectional sofa, we can completely remodel and furnish this living room. We can change the flooring material, add an accent wall, customize the TV console, and add some lights. Plus, get all the furniture and decor for the entire living room. But here's the challenge. With a budget of $1,000, we need to complete all the essential furniture for a living room, and the products must be available in online stores. We also have to stick to one interior style. This means choosing furniture and decor that will blend well with the overall design. Let's get started. First, we need to find an interior design style that suits our budget. We'll ask ChatGPT, what is the best interior design style for a low-budget living room? All right, we'll choose the minimalist style. Next, what are the characteristics of a modern minimalist style? Great, this looks good. Now let's open Google and search for photos of living rooms with a modern minimalist style. Finally, we need to pick a color palette to guide us in choosing the right furniture and decor for our living room. Modern minimalist style focuses on clean lines, minimal furniture, and a neutral color palette. Now we can start looking for products. Let's begin with the sofa. This 88.6 upholstered sofa fits well with our modern minimalist style. This sofa is priced at $510, but to save even more, we will choose the open box option, which brings it down to $416. Next, we will look for a rug. This rug, priced at $44, is a very good choice. It complements the sofa and adds to the overall look and feel of the room, without overpowering it. Now let's add 2 accent chairs for additional seating. We'll choose this sling accent chair, priced at $90 each. So, for both chairs, the total comes to $180. These chairs will not only provide extra seating, but also enhance the aesthetic of our living room. Then, we will add some throw pillows. It costs $84 for 6 pieces, including both pillow inserts and covers. Adding these pillows will bring more comfort and style to the living room. This coffee table, priced at $79, is a great addition to our living room. It's affordable and fits well with the modern minimalist style we're aiming for. And it serves as a functional centerpiece for the room, perfect for holding items like magazines, decors, or a tray of snacks. For the side table, this round glass and metal side table, worth $98 for 2 pieces, fits well with our living room setup. Placing these tables beside the sofa or accent chairs provides convenient spots for drinks, books, or decorative items. As of now, we've spent $901. Let's see if we can still add a TV console within our budget. This one fits both our budget and our design style. It costs $72. Finally, let's add some wall art for $26. Our total comes to $999. We've successfully stayed within our $1,000 budget. Next, let's see how many times this $10,000 living room is better than the $1,000 living room budget. This time, we'll go for a Scandinavian design style living room, characterized by its clean lines, minimalistic vibe, and a focus on natural materials like wood and light colors. With this budget, we have the flexibility to remodel the living room and add more charm. First, we could change the flooring materials to wood tiles to complement the Scandinavian vibe. For this area, we'll allocate $1,500 for the flooring. Next, let's add an accent wall to further enhance the coziness. This accent wall will cost $2,000, but it's totally worth it for the style it brings. As for the TV console, we'll opt for a built-in design that seamlessly fits the Scandinavian aesthetic. This choice will cost us $1,800, but it'll tie the room together beautifully. Now we can start searching for the perfect pieces to complete our Scandinavian style living room. We found a sleek vegan leather sofa that's an excellent fit for our style. The price tag on this beauty is $3,000. Next, let's find a rug that ties everything together. This rug, priced at $156, is a very good choice. Now let's add 2 accent chairs for additional seating. We'll choose this accent chair with wooden legs, priced at $156 each. So for both chairs, the total comes to $312. These chairs will not only provide extra seating, but also enhance the aesthetic of our living room. Then we will add some throw pillows. It costs $112 for 8 pieces, including both pillow inserts and covers. These pillows will bring more comfort and style to the living room. This coffee table, priced at $228, is a great addition to our living room. It serves as a functional centerpiece for the room, perfect for holding items like magazines and decors. For the remaining budget, we can allocate it to home accessories, decor, and electronics. And there you have it. We've explored 2 different living room setups with vastly different budgets. Isn't it amazing how creativity can stretch $1? Now, I'm super curious to hear from you. What do you think about these living rooms? Which pieces did you love the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the list of products we mentioned. You'll find it in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to make a purchase. This helps support the channel and allows us to continue making videos like this. Thank you for your support.